Guys, really forgive me. The video got cut, so sorry for that. So anyways, let's keep going. So I'll be doing the last part that we did again, right? So diagonal in half and diagonal in half. Okay. Then a tiny bit coming up. Okay. And then after some time, maybe I'll learn how to combine the videos. So just bear with me, guys. I'm a new YouTuber. Okay, so like that. Turn the paper over. Okay, when you're doing it. Okay, so when you're doing it, you might want to unfold this part right here. So after you unfold it, put one into the other like that. So the measure that you will be wanting it is if you are able to put your hand into it. Keep it a bit loose, maybe. Right, and now where this line meets this line, make a fold like that. Okay, so like that. Okay, so after that, pull this line like this, make a fold like this, press it in like that. So after you've done that, just fold that line back to it. Right, so just fold it like that. Don't press it fully, just keep it a bit yet. Okay, and now let's just a second. Yeah. Now let's depending on how thick your hand is, mine is pretty thin. Okay, so we're gonna be designing it. So I'll do it a bit thinner. You can do it thick if your hand is thick. It all depends on the size of your hand. So that's the measure. Okay, so I've done that. Just a second. Like that, and now, so basically, just let your hand in, and now hold it like this. Just try to make a fold right here so that it kind of fits into it. So I'm just going to be pressing it in just a second. Yep, so I found that fold, so it should be pretty symmetrical, so right there and right there, so I'm taking it out. Okay, so just carefully taking it out. Okay, and now just checking whether they are perfect, and now make the creases perfect. So I'm just creasing that one there and that one there. Okay, so like that. Sorry for the background noise. Okay, so that's good. And now the way to let this in is just open everything. Just let your hand in. Okay, this part will kind of stick out like that. Okay, and now just press it in. So when you're pressing it, it will stay onto your hand. Make it a bit tight. Okay, so that's the wrist, I guess. Yeah, so that's the wrist. So let me just assemble my entire gauntlet. So I have my wrist one. So actually this doesn't require tape, but you know, if you want it to become extra strong, you could put the tape. Okay, so just a second. Yep. So there you are, the power stone, and then comes the soul stone. I mean the space stone, and then the reality stone, and then I totally forgot. Go back in order. So the mind stone, and then I acquired the time stone, and then I acquired the soul stone, and then the reality stone, and then the space stone, and this stone when I designated Xandar. Okay, so thank you guys for watching. Give me just a second. Yep, the Infinity Gauntlet. Thank you guys for watching. You know, you could also paint this in gold. So this part I kept it just like some padding it doesn't require. So if you want, I have you could also do like this. You know, take some tape and some paper. Attach a paper to this one. Attach it between everything like webbed feet. And then don't attach the thumb, and then attach this to this. So like when you remove it, it'll be like a gauntlet itself. So you just have to let your hand in it. You don't have to keep one after it. That's just my personal idea. Right, so that's that, you guys. So thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye for now.